Hi, this is Chris McClune with Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment. I'm here with John Sweezy, Jr. of MatJack. He's the Chief Executive Officer and owner of MatJack, and we're here today to talk about his airbag products. Now, John, what would you say is unique about your airbag products?
Well, we have several different things that make us unique. One, we've been in the market since 1981, right? That's when we first came out with them. Over the years, we've added things such as the carrying handles on most of the models. If they don't have carrying handles, then they have tabs for putting ropes through if you're going to drop it down, if you're doing, confined space rescue, those kind of issues. But we're the only ones that actually have the handles molded on. We're the only ones that actually have a interlocking surface between the bags so that when you stack them, that they actually grab a hold of each other. So that's, in the marketplace today, rather unique. There used to be some other ones that were like that that are no longer around. But the other things that we have, we still build bags both with steel reinforcement and with Kevlar reinforcement. Okay. The steel's a much stronger, more durable product. The Kevlar is a nice product in this market because guys like bags that are somewhat lighter, which is about the only advantage you really get with the Kevlar. But even with that, the bags, the physics are still the same. We do have both a 120 line 8-bar bag along with the 175 line, which is a 12-bar bag. So whether the rescue team wants to have the standard bags that have been in the market forever, we have those, or if they want to go to this higher pressure, which seems to be the new wave, we have those also. The other thing is that our controls are easily worked. When you put them in your hands, you can see the buttons that'll turn around and inflates it and deflates. It's very simple to operate, especially with the hosing and so forth that we have. The products that are out there, we try to operate from what would be referred to, I guess, people like to refer to it as the KISS principle, keep it simple. Mm-hmm. As we talk about, when you're out there and it's raining and it's dark and somebody tells you to grab an airbag and we need such and so size airbag, it's clearly on the front of the airbag what the tonnage is and what the stroke of the bag is. So if somebody tells you to go grab that 6-ton bag, you can go in, anybody can go over, pull it out, run over, hook it up, and get the job done instead of having to sit and look at instructions or try to figure out what part of the control it hooks up to. It's all real straightforward, very easy to work with. We're the first ones that actually, with the higher pressure line, that actually came out with a pressure relief hose. Okay. Pressure relief fittings so that you could use it either at the control or the hose, because at the higher pressures, obviously, you don't want to just disconnect. You could have a somewhat dangerous situation if it slipped out of your hand. We've now seen that in other parts, other areas with some of the other products that are in the market, and something that's important to have at that pressure. The other thing that, as far as uniqueness with the products, one of the things the guys really like out there, because when you're in the field working with these, generally you're not going to get into a situation where you can just put an airbag in and it slides in real easy and you air it up. Not going to happen. You have to force it in. With our bags, we're the only one that's in the market. You can actually take a hammer and drive it in if you have to. There isn't another one out there that we know of that you can do that sort of thing. So we build them that tough. We've been in the market forever. We put all the effort and the construction into it to be able to handle this kind of rough work. Okay. And
so talk a little bit about what goes into product development at MatJack.
Well, obviously the one thing that we've always done is look at new, let's say, reinforced new material that's out there, new things that are coming down the pike that are being put out by raw good manufacturers, whether or not that makes sense to put into our products. In some cases over the years, we've used those things. Some things we've tried haven't worked very well, and we've discarded those. But typically that's the reason why our bags last as long as they do. We're the only one in the market with a 5-year warranty. The reason for that is simple, is the fact that we build our products tough enough. We have that kind of faith in our products that we virtually have in the field. I can't tell you in the last 10 years where we've had any kind of issue at all. Realistically, even prior to that, I mean, over the course of the last 30, 40 years, we've had virtually almost no issues out in the field.
All right, well, thanks a lot, John, for taking some time out. If
Thanks,
any
Chris.
fire departments or rescue companies want to find out more about your products, where can they go to find out?
Well, the easiest place to do it is just to go to our website at www.matjack.com. We have all our products listed there. All our contact information's there. We have videos if you want to see it working.
Okay.
If you contact us, you want to see this for a demo, we have dealers not only nationwide but worldwide, and we'd be happy to have somebody come out and show you.
All right, great. Thanks again.
Thanks, Chris.